When painting in watercolor, you can end up with unexpected blossoms sometimes, and instead of scrubbing them out and ruining the surface of your paper, here's a really easy fix. Just wet the surface of the paper, then using a magic eraser, which is a melamine foam eraser, get it damp, and then just lightly roll it over the blossom. There's no need to scrub, and I think you're going to be really surprised how well this works. You can also use a brush if you like. It'll just take a little longer. And if you use the melamine foam eraser, make sure that you use one without detergent. And if you have a blossom in the middle of a wash, it's the same thing. Get it wet and lift it out. Now, this is not about doing a beautiful painting. This is just problem solving. And I'm intentionally leaving the blossom in the middle on the right-hand side so you can see the difference. Then once you've lifted the color, go over it again with clean water or your wash of color to even everything out. Now you can compare both sides and see what works best for you.